gaming tech. So, oh my gosh. About to make. Okay, so hey, what's up guys, it's Malleable Gaming Tech. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a awesome mob spawner. Sorry, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a awesome XP farm for your Minecraft world. And yes, what to tell, like and subscribe for more farms. So without wasting our time, let's roll the intro. Okay, so for that thing you need some solid blocks, some chests, some hoppers, water buckets, torch, and some slabs. First of all, take 4 blocks like this. Okay, then place hoppers in there. Then place the slabs like this. Then place blocks like this. Okay, same to same like this. And then break these corners. And then in this area, fill 21 blocks. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then fill the rest of that. Okay guys, so after they're done, place land blocks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 9. Okay, so then make this to a height. Okay, so then do the same thing also. After they're done, join those like this. Okay? So leave the corners and then join them. Guys, after they're done, take a water bucket and fill those like this, okay? So like this. Here, here, and here. Okay, so as you can see, if anyone stands here, they will straight fall in here, okay? So then, join those corners like this. survival and for wonderful, peaceful no zombies, just place spawners in here. And sorry, if you play on creative, then place spawners and fill them with spawning like creeper, zombie, skeleton, and spikes. Okay. After that, just cover the rooftop. After that, place torches in the rooftop like this. Spread that, okay. Okay, then for survival, just go in the sky like I'm going. Okay, so that's good. And just stand here and AFK for some minutes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I forgot to mention that place the difficulty to hard. Okay, it's now like 15 minutes I'm standing here, so let's go down. Oh, what! I just died. I'm very bad and I want to. Please, let's go. Okay, so let's take the sword and okay, so it just came and just died. Oh, okay. So let's just wait a few minutes. So guys, the creeper just came. If the creeper spawns here, don't go too close, otherwise it will explode. Where's the gunpowder? Didn't drop anything. Okay, so whatever. So guys, our extra farm is so much good. Let me show you. Ready for it. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking really cool. And yes, that is it. Our XP farm is totally complete. We have done a bamboo farm, we have done a sugarcane farm, and the XP farm. If you didn't watch those two videos, I will upload it in the description. I will give you the link in the description, so go and watch it. And this is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will meet you with another fun video. And I guess this is our last video, I guess, because my final exams are coming. It's in, oh, you can see here, there's the final exams are coming, so this will be my last video. Okay, after, like, I will come after July 22 or 23. So that is all for today. See you in the next one. Peace out.